Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Embrace Self-Love meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes gently still closed, we invite you to welcome in love and give yourself all of the love that you rightfully deserve. Continue breathing here naturally. Place both of your hands over your heart. Embrace yourself and feel the love that you have for yourself. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. Think about 3 things that you love about yourself. What values make you proud? What characteristics do you admire? Or what features make you unique? Breathe here naturally as you gather what you love most about yourself. Let's take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds. 2 more times. Take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale with a deep sigh out for 5 seconds. One last time. Take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds. Find your natural rhythm and breathe here. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your stomach. Acknowledge all of the electrifying energy flowing through your body. Only allow this energy to grow and never to diminish, as you must love yourself wholeheartedly. Sit here for a moment and just breathe naturally. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils, and then on your exhale, let it out with a deep sigh. Again, one more deep breath in through your nostrils, then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. One last time. Inhale through your nose, then exhale out with the last deep sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am embracing self-love daily because I deserve it. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power, and I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a deep breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Embrace Self-Love meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.